What's up guys, my name is Josiah Marchin and I'm the Alaskan Outsider. I love getting outside in the beautiful state of Alaska and going on as many adventures as I can. And when I do, I like bringing gear with me. And today I'm bringing the gear along in this Backlight backpack. MindShift went ahead and sent me this backpack and wanted to get my honest feedback on it. So today, that's exactly what I'm gonna give you. Well, believe it or not, this is actually the first camera backpack that I've owned. I've always just had a big backpack that I've thrown a small camera person and then also my drone inside of. And that's worked for the last 2 years for me. But finally, I've got an actual camera bag that you can whip around and open up and get right into it as you're trying to do your filmmaking. So if I'm trying to switch lenses, if I'm trying to get a different mic on, I can do any of that by quickly just switching it around and picking out stuff on the go. So that is very handy. The other thing that I'd like to say about this backpack is the zippers are super sturdy. Zippers are one of the most frustrating things for me when they're super small and cheap, and they definitely did not skimp on good zipper system on this backpack. Further, the shoulder pads on this thing, oh, it feels so good. We just biked 3 miles across this lake and I had this backpack on the whole time, and it feels really sturdy on your backpack and my shoulders were not aching. Another awesome feature about this backpack is that the inside is totally configurable. So you can totally start from scratch and just have a big wide open compartment, or you can make a bunch of small compartments depending on the size of your cameras or lenses. It is an 18-liter backpack, so it's not the biggest on the market. It's kind of right in that sweet spot where it's not just ginormous and you fill it full of everything and then your back is sore the entire day because you're walking around and you're exhausted. But it limits yourself to only bring the essentials, which is what I love to bring out on my video shoots. Another thing that I've really appreciated about this backpack is I've begun using it to just carry my camera stuff, so that way I'm not also throwing in luggage and my shoes and stuff when I go traveling. So I went and filmed a wedding not too long ago up in Fairbanks, Alaska, and I had to fly up there, and I brought a big suitcase full of my tripods and stuff like that. That way I can put all 3 of my GH5 cameras in this backpack and they can be nice and safe, and I can use this backpack as a carry-on for the airplane because it's not too big. So obviously when you're carrying something on your back for hours and hours on end, comfort is very important. I already mentioned how the straps are very comfortable, but there's also a lot of very thick padded foam right here with some ventilation here, so you do get some airflow, and it's also a very comfy ride. And if you're throwing this in the back seat of your car, you're not going to be banging up your camera gear. It also comes with a nice rain fly, which in Alaska, you never know when it's going to start raining, except for today because blue sky day and it might start snowing on you. But regardless, there is a nice rain fly. You can just keep it in the bag and rip it out, pop the Velcro out, and it comes down here. So that way it becomes waterproof if you're doing some crazy adventure and it starts to rain on you. The last feature I'll mention is there is a nice sleeve for a 13-inch laptop. So if you got a ginormous laptop, this is not the bag for you, but a small little MacBook Air slips right in there. And I didn't bring my laptop today. I did bring a nice vodka glass. We just filmed a vodka glacier commercial up here with this as a backdrop. So if you want to see that video, check that out over here. But that's all I've got to say about this bag for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, lots more tips and tricks videos and also gear review videos on this channel. So subscribe if you feel so inclined, and have a great rest of your day.